how to make money online as a stay-at-home mom. Today, I bring my wife, Selena. She is a complete beginner. She literally just started her online business like last week. Complete beginner. So I want to use this chance to show you guys the same thing I'm teaching her. So you guys can also copy this method and also make money from home. This is one of the products I'm selling myself. I'm going to show you how you can make multiple six figures at home and make like this $1,000 stay, $1,000 stay, $1,000 stay. And before we dive in, I want to remind you, if this is the first time you see my video, my name is Daniel Chou. This is my wife, Selena Huang. I'm a father, husband, and also online entrepreneur. And on this channel, I share with my audience all the strategies that I'm using that help me to quit my delivery job to now making multiple seven figures at home. So if you are not following my channel yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and follow my training so you don't miss out any of my future training videos. Now, let's dive right in. Before we get started, I want to talk about the business model. There are so many business models out there. Which one is the best one for beginners? The reason why I picked this picture is because my wife just very recently, she got her real estate agent license. So how people make money in real estate? You work with homeowner, right? As a seller, then you represent the home, then you find potential buyers to visit the home, right? Then if the buyer purchased the home after you show them the house, then the seller, the original homeowner, will pay you your real estate agent commission, right? That's how people make money traditionally. But briefly talk about your what kind of study, exam, how much time you had to go through in order for you to get your real estate agent license.
So I went to register and took the real estate course for because I'm a stay-home mom. So I spent months and months studying. I went to the course and take the tests, and I even failed my first exam. But I keep going, keep taking it, and then I passed and finally got my real estate license and signed with a broker to go under the office in order to active my license.
It sounds very nice. Congratulations. But what she didn't tell you is she spent thousands of dollars to enroll herself in a real estate class, then study for months before she can take the exam. She failed the first time, so she had to do it the second time. But luckily, she got it. But it was a journey that she had to go through before she can even open up her business. For ordinary people like you and myself, we don't like to study, right? And we may not qualify to be a real estate agent. Number one, how can we make money online? Number two, potentially make way more than a traditional real estate agent. And this is what we're going to teach you today. So instead of selling the physical house as the hard asset, real estate, today we're going to use this way. It's basically sell other people's digital asset. It doesn't require any degree. It doesn't require any prior experience because my wife literally just started like a week ago. So you're going to simply leverage other people's digital asset. Then you find customers for their digital access. When people purchase from your recommendation, the vendors, just like homeowners, they pay you your commissions. Does that make sense? If that makes sense so far, make sure you comment down below. Let me know how you feel about it. So number one step, where do I find digital access that I can sell and make money from it? So very simple. You can go to this website called ClickBank. It's the public affiliate network, which means you can pick and choose the product you like and you apply to become their affiliate, their agent, their representative. Once they approve you, they're gonna give you your unique affiliate link. Then you put that link out there, show that link to as many people as possible. When people click through that link and make a purchase from the product vendor, because of that unique link, product vendor will be able to track that sale back to you. That's how they differentiate. Sale number one was from this affiliate. Sale number two was from that affiliate. On ClickBank public network, you can go through it at your own time. For example, right now I'm in the health fitness niche. You can also do beauty. You can also do other niches, loads of niches. For example, this product, if you represent them, when people buy from you, the product vendor pay you $147 per sale as your commission. Like this one pay out $122 per sale. So you can pick up products for free and start promoting it. And in today's training, I want to show you the secret product that my wife and I are doing. So let me show you a quick results. This product I already brought in $6,100. And I had my wife, because this one is a premium product, I have my wife to start from this product first. Actually, we're going to give you a free account. So the first link in the video description down below, click on it, then we're going to give you a free account that you can pick this up and start promoting it. Once you get your free account, it's very simple. You're going to grab your affiliate link. And this is my wife's, her Instagram page. Right now, it's only 98 followers, but she's doing such an amazing job. I'm so proud of her because she just started as a complete beginner, zero experience. Number one, she wants to learn how to get leads and sales using social media, bring some cash into the family. But number two, mainly, is that she will learn how to build her audience for her future real estate agent business. Does that make sense? So all you need to do is just to find a premium product that people are already buying. For example, this one already made me $6,000. It's proven people are buying. Then you simply get your account, get your affiliate link with the product vendor. Then you create your social media profile. All she does is to put that link on her Instagram page. That's it. That's it. Then all she needs to focus on is to learn how to be herself, right? She is very creative. So she is doing like 1 or 2 videos, usually funny family style videos, right? People like to see you being real. You don't need to be an expert. Just document your journey, share with your audience what you are doing. Then you start have followers coming in. Some of the followers will click through your link, then purchase the product from you. Cha-ching, you just got paid. So this is the how you make money online as a stay-at-home mom or as a complete beginner. Let me recap. Number one, pick a product that you can represent. Work with a product vendor. You can go to ClickBank. Lots of products that you can pick and choose, and you can represent them for free. If you want to promote premium product that's proven to sell, like the one I'm selling right now, like where I have my wife got started, you can click the first link in the video description down below, then get your free account. Number three, create your social media page profile. Put that link, your affiliate link, on your social media profile. Then create simple content, 1 or 2 pieces of content every day to grow your audience organically. Organically means free. You don't need to spend any money on pay ads, right? You just spend maybe 1 hour a day, 2 hours a day, create content to grow your followers. Some of your followers will click through your link and make a purchase. Cha-ching, you just got paid. All right. So that's the quick training for today. If you like this training, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I will be on here not only sharing with you my secret strategy, but I will also show you her beginner journey. So step by step, you guys get to copy her strategy and see exactly how she makes money. All right. So we'll see you in our next training videos. Let's go.